So the next problem is integration of sin power phi theta into cos cube theta into d theta. And here the solution is, first we compare integral of sin power mx, that is cos power nx into dx, that is equal to integral of sin power theta cos cube theta into d theta. So here m equal to 5 and n equal to 3. So both are odd numbers. So both m and n are odd numbers. Okay. And here that m is greater than n. M is greater than n. For m is greater than n, so select t is equal to bigger element, that is m, that is nothing but a sin x. That is nothing but a sin x. Differentiate t with respect to, sorry, we have the theta here, dt by d theta, that is nothing but a cos theta. So from the dt equal to cos theta into d theta. Okay, and here it can be written as sin power phi theta cos cube theta into theta. So from cos cube theta, it can be needed only cos theta. So therefore it can be written as sin power phi theta into cos square theta into cos theta into d theta. That is cos theta into d theta can be written as, since it is dt. So therefore it can be written as integration of sin power theta into cos square theta into dt. And next, the cos is converted into the sin. The cos theta is converted into sin. So therefore this is nothing but what is the basic formula? The basic formula is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So from that cos square theta is nothing but 1 minus sin square theta. So therefore sin power phi theta into cos square theta can be written as 1 minus sin square theta into dt. We substitute t, that is t equal to sin theta. Therefore t power 5 into 1 minus t square into dt, we get that t power 5 into t power 5 minus t power 7, that is integration of t power 5, that is nothing but t power 6 by 6 minus t power 8 by 8. So here what is the formula? X power n, that is x power of n plus 1 by n plus 1. So substitute t equal to sin theta, we get that sin power 6 theta by 6 minus sin power 8 theta by 8. So that means here how we solve this problem. First, it is given that we compare, the question is sin power phi theta into cos cube theta into d theta. We compare that sin power mx into cos power nx into dx. Okay, if you have compared that, m equal to 5 and n is equal to 3. So both n and m are odd numbers, and we have to select the bigger element, and m is greater than n, that is 5 is greater than 3. So select t equal to bigger element, that is m, that is nothing but sin theta. Differentiate t with respect to theta, that is nothing but a differentiation of sin theta is nothing but a cos theta. Finally we can write that dt equal to cos theta into cos theta into d theta. What is the given question? Sin power 5 cube theta into cos cube theta into d theta. From cos cube theta, one cos is needed. So that's why we do that for cos square theta into cos theta into d theta. Cos theta into d theta can be written as dt. Okay, so we get that sin power 5 theta into cos square theta into d theta, and the cos will be converted into the form of sin, because the entire function will be converted in the form of t. Here the t is equal to sin. So for that, the basic formula is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. From that, cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. So the entire function is in the form of t, that is a sin, that is nothing but t power 5 into 1 minus t square into dt. So t power 5 into 1, t power 5 minus t power 5 into t square, nothing but t power 7. We use that a power m into a power n is equal to of a power of m plus n, and we do that integration of this t power 5, nothing but t power 6 by 6 minus t power 7, integration of t power 7 is t power 8 by 8 plus c, and finally we substitute t equal to sin theta, nothing but sin power 6 theta by 6 minus sin power 8 theta by 8 plus c.